Hi there. In this video I will show you how to clear storage usage on WhatsApps. Most things we do on our phones take up space and subsequently our phones become slower than before. I am going to show you in this video a step-by-step process that will help you clear some space on your WhatsApps and in turn makes your device faster. Select the three dot button, go to setting. Now select data and storage usage. Click on storage usage. The most usage groups will be on top of the list. Select a group or an individual chat. Select free up space. You can select or deselect any of these. I am going to select the default one. Tap on delete items, clear messages. This will free up your all the space. Note that once this is done, you will no longer have access to see the files in your chat, as they will be no longer found in your device or gallery. Thanks for watching.